Hey everyone, welcome to our final year project demonstration. Today we are excited to showcase our innovative platform, FarmBridge, a blockchain and AI-driven platform for transparent agricultural relief distribution. FarmBridge aims to connect farmers in need of financial aid with donors who want to make a real impact in agriculture, all powered by blockchain transparency and AI automation. Before starting this application, we need something called as MetaMask. MetaMask is a crypto wallet which will act as an authentication and a transaction model in our application. So let's go to Chrome Web Store and download MetaMask. So you can see that I'm already in Chrome and I have to add MetaMask into my Brave browser. Now let's add. I have added my extension. I'll give the MetaMask extension link inside my description box so you could download from there. So you could see that MetaMask has been downloaded. I need to pin this for better usability. Now let's create a new wallet. So I have already logged in. So I need to enter a unique password for this. Remember that if you forget your password, you may never get back your credentials of your account. So please make sure that your password is safe. Now I am in Ethereum mainnet, so I need to switch to a test network. For that, let's go to the account settings and advanced settings, and let's enable the show test networks and show conversion on test networks. Now we can see that we can see our test nets over here. So we are going to use Sepolia. Sepolia is a test network which was used to deploy the smart contract. So the same we are trying to connect the same network. Now we have zero balance over here. So I'm going to go to Google a faucet, which is basically I'll generate some Ethereum to my test network. Let me copy my address over here. Yeah, so we may have received some tokens or some Ethereum in our account. So let's refresh it. Yeah, you could see that already I have got some 0.05 Sepolia Ethereum. Now let's get back to our site and let's try connecting now. Yeah, so I'm going to connect my account over here. Yeah, you could see that my account address has been shown over here. And also you can see that this is the balance. Now later we will talk about this contract. Now first let's talk about our page, our home page. So our home page is nothing but just a landing page which consists of how this FarmBridge works, and how to verify and how to register, how to create the disbursements, and how to claim and grow. So basically this is just a normal landing page. Now let's go to registration page where you want to register as a farmer or a donor. Now you can see that there are two options over here. One is as a donor and one is as a farmer. So let's go to a farmer page and let's enter our details. Remember that here each and every field is mandatory. I'm just gonna give So here the farm type could be anything. So it could be organic, traditional, mixed, whatever. So here is an OTP module. So basically, in order to register as a farmer, you need to verify your OTP. So I'm just gonna add my phone number over here and I'll ask for an OTP. Yeah, I can see that my OTP has already received to my phone. I'll just show you. So this is the OTP and I'm gonna type my OTP over here, which is 886144, and I'm going to verify it. Yeah, my phone number has been verified. Now I add my now I have even added my email. Now I have to upload an image of an farmer address. So I'm going to go to downloads and I'll use this image. This will basically act as an verification image or an address proof of an farmer. Yeah, so let's register as a farmer. Let's confirm this. Yes. So this may take some 7 to 8 seconds of your time for registering. Yeah, you can see that I'm already registered as a farmer. So let's go back to the farmers page. Yeah, you can see all the farmers who are listed in this site, and this is my recent farmer account. And here it says that I'm not verified yet. Yes, the verification process is done by the admin. Admin in the sense here is the owner of the smart contract. So let's go to our admin panel. So this is not our admin account. So this was our new account. So let's go back to our admin account and I'll show you my admin dashboard and my admin verification page over there. So I'm back here. I'm gonna disconnect and I'll try to connect it again. Yes, you can see that I am in my admin page, and you can see that there is an already a request saying that Mohammed Armanen from so and so location, and it's still in the pending state. And here admin has to verify with the farmer who is in the network, and he needs to check each and detail, is it correct, and is he in serious condition that he needs some money or something like that. So it basically depends on the admin if he can verify this account based on its location and based on its given data. So here let's verify it. Yeah, so we have already verified over here. So you can see that there is an verification status, verified status over here. So now let's go back to our FarmBridge second account. Yeah, you can see that it shows that I'm verified now. So when you're verified, that means now you could add a request. So we'll try to request aid, but before that, we'll even show you. So this is the donors page. These are the donors which are available in our site, and also admin can donate or issue some disbursements. So if there is a donor who has more disbursements, he receives some reputation score, which is basically a reputation score given to a donor. Based on that, we may know they are actively available in donations or not. So now let's go to request page. So here I am requesting as Mohammad Arman N, and here I'll request something flood relief. I lost my inputs. So here I need to request an amount which I need for to like need for my disbursements. So here I'll give 0.01 or sorry or 0.02. Now let's confirm our transaction. Yeah, so I have successfully submitted my aid, and there is a confirmation email which is also sent. So we have added even email automations in our site, so which will let uh, farmers or donors that each and every event is being triggered. So let's go and check our emails over here. So let's refresh this page. Yeah, you can see that I have already got three emails over here. One is the welcome page, and second is the registration or I was verified, and third is that my request was for 0.02 Ethereum for the flood relief. I lost my crops, and we'll get all these site insights. Now, who donates this? So obviously it is donors who are donating it. So in this case, admin can donate, and basically donors can also donate. So let's go back to our admin site. Now let's try and connect to our admin page, and we'll go to all request page, and you can already see that. So there is an active fund, or there is an active request which is needed to be funded, and it says flood relief and I lost my crops in flood. So the active state management is done over in this site. Now I can fund from here also, which is basically a donor funding page, and there is an also admin funding page which I'm going to show you later. Now I have funded 0.01 Ethereum from my admin account. Basically, my admin account has more Ethereum over here, which has a approximate 2.8 test networks of Ethereum. So I could send number of transactions over here. And you saw a model which told me there was a successful transaction. So and user may also the farmer may also have received an email that some transaction was went, and you can see that you have received funding for your aid request, and which shows how much of you requested and how much was funded and how much funding progress was done, and still needed is 0.01 ethereum to complete your fulfillment of your request. So this is from for the basic donors, or just for the donors. Now even admin, I told you the admin can also issue some disbursements, and I'm going to show you just now. Now you can see that this is an dashboard page. So this dashboard page is basically for the site insights, and collect the information of the site and how much Ethereum was been funded and how much is remaining, recent funding trend. These are the graphs to showcase, and you can download these reports in format of CSV, and also report, which is basically in PDF. I can see that I'm getting all my reports over here: aid request pending, aid request fulfilled, farmers, donors who are, and all this complete data. And also I could get it in the format of CSV, where you can do some where you could do some uh, data cleaning process or whatever which is needed for you for data storing purpose or something like that. Now here you can also, there is a model button over here which says create disbursement. So I'm going to create a disbursement over here, and I'm going to select a 8. So there is only one active 8 which is remaining, which is of 0.01 remaining. So I can max this out, and let's fund this request. Yeah, you can see that all my status has been fulfilled. Now the Muhammad Armanen, the status was fulfilled, which was requested of 0.02 Ethereum and funded this much. And have also received the email that I have fulfilled my request. Yes, and it says that my funding progress is 100%. I have fulfilled my request and so and so. Now, uh, let's go to a how it works page. So how it works page basically is how this site works. This is a step-by-step guidance to how, like, what and all things are needed for you, and what is FarmBridge, so and so, so and so, and what is the benefits of FarmBridge. This is basically a blog page of our site, and a final page is the about page, which is like what was our vision of this making this project, and our development team, and why did we make this project. And now coming apart to the next biggest thing is that uh, do farmers will really understand the concept of blockchain or anything like smart contracts or something like that. So in most of the cases, in farmers don't know English, or farmers don't know some language like English. So we have multilinguistic feature in our project, which is of another two languages, which is Hindi. You could see that all my site data is being in Hindi, and you could see that, and they can read this in their local languages. Now let's go back to Kannada. So all the site data is in now Kannada, and not just that. Now what if you say me that I need, they don't understand what is a smart contract, what is blockchain. They don't know what is a website also. So how are you going to figure this out? So we have a chatbot feature. So this is the chatbot model over here. I'm gonna click this, and the special thing about this chatbot is that it has speech to text and text to speech kind of features. So they don't even need to type anything. And when I say anything, they don't need to type anything. So let's go to English, and I'm going to do this in, I'm going to say something in English first. Let's be like, what, I'm going to allow my microphone. So what is blockchain? So you can see that I am getting this response from the chatbot. So this chatbot uses Gemini 2.0 Flash APIs, So basically we are getting this as from Gemini, this response from the Gemini, and this could speak. Yeah, you saw that it's giving us in English, it's speaking in English, and you could understand it. So there may even a conflict that farmers not even understand what they're speaking. Yes. So let's change our language and let's get back to the site. Let's get back to the chatbot. Sorry. Now I'll be like, blockchain क्या है? You can see that it's in Hindi and it's giving me all these details in Hindi. And this works same for even Kannada. Later, we are going to add some more languages, some more Indian native languages, but for now, we have only three languages. And not just it's going to tell about what is blockchain and what is Ethereum, so and so, it's also going to tell us some things about this site. So if I want to like register as a farmer, so it's going to tell me what and all things are needed to register as a farmer. How can I register as a farmer? So you can see that it has telling me hello, thank you, and what and all details and fields are required. These are the fields which are required, and it is a disaster proof of your land to be uploaded. Make sure to complete the OTP verification process after entering a phone number registered, and so and so, so and so. And it's giving you a detailed things of each and every field. So, and also, what if farmers cannot like route to another page? So instead of just routing through navbar or routing through mobile navigation, so we also have a feature uh, where is the farmers page? Yeah, so it's giving his farmer page. So these very extra features, so extra features includes multilinguistic options, and more on we have a chatbot, a fully functional chatbot with TTS and STT, and all the site the details are very visually impacting, which may give complete details of the site by the words itself. Now, coming to the contract, where is this contract deployed? So I was talking about there is a contract tab over here. So let's click on this. This will lead us to a site called as Etherscan. So Etherscan is an block explorer. More on to that in later. So what does Etherscan actually do over here? So Etherscan actually explores each and every block which is mined inside our blockchain. So you could see that all the transactions which were recorded from our website are here. So I funded the aid request, I funded the aid request, I requested the aid, I verified a farmer, I registered a farmer, I again so and so, so and so. And not just it like verifies this, like it gives a complete details about the site. It also has our contract verified. So you can see all the contracts data or the contract source code over here. And you can even see whatever and all events which were triggered inside our app, inside our application. So these were the events which were triggered. And this ensures, why is this Etherscan or blockchain is a bigger trend? Because this ensures something called as transparency. You could see the transparent nature of a blockchain. You could see what and all transactions are happening. You can view in real time. and this is not even delayed. This is in real time. So this ensures transparency, which is a unique feature of a blockchain. Now, last part is that we have links over here and quick links over here, and this link is for downloading MetaMask, and here is a GitHub option which will lead us to our GitHub repository, and the code over here, the source code over here is open source. Anybody can contribute it over here. If you have any ideas, you could just send an request or send and try to push it. We'll try to verify you and we'll accept your changes over here. You could see this. This repo is a monolithic repo, which means which has even client side and server side in same repository. This client side repo is a Next.js a project, which is a fully functional full stack project, and the server is a hard hat project which consists of our contracts or smart contracts, and which was deployed. And this application is available to all of you, and that is because we have deployed this application in Vercel. That means you can view it from your homes, you can view it from anywhere, because this is hosted by Vercel. Could see that there is a link over here, FarmBridge, farm hyphen bridge hyphen project dot Vercel dot app will lead you to this page. So this is what FarmBridge our project is about. And if you want this application in dark mode, it is also available in dark mode. You just need to just go to the dark, and you could even keep it in your system preferences. So it is in dark mode. And you may be asking, what if farmers may not have laptops or whatever, like desktop or something. So this page or this website is completely cutting edge, so it is completely responsive. So when I inspect, and let me show you the mobile, how it would look in mobile. So this is how it will look in mobile. It is completely responsive. Yeah. So thank you everyone for staying on this project. Now, this project was made in laptop. I'll have another section of the same working of the project in mobile application. And in mobile, it is slightly different, because in mobile you can't just open a blockchain or a decentralized application in any browser. You need a MetaMask app over there. So in next section, I'm going to show you how MetaMask is being installed in a phone application, and after that, everything which was shown in this desktop view or laptop view would work same inside your mobile also. But the installation process is slightly different over here, and all the links and descriptions of the this resources and everything would be given inside our description box. So please check out this, and please like, share, and subscribe. So thank you everyone. So hey everyone, so this is the section 2. Here I'm going to show you how to download MetaMask application inside your phone. So MetaMask can't be downloaded as an extension into your Chrome browser or Brave browser. So here in phone you have to download as an application, because there is no options to download extensions in your phone. So this is the way you could download MetaMask. So you could go to any app store or Play Store and download the MetaMask crypto wallet kind of application. So I have already downloaded this application. Now I'll open this, and I have even logged in. If you have not logged in, you could just log in, and if you already have an account now, you could just add an existing account, or you could just create a new wallet. And I have also added the Sepolia Ethereum, so this is my main account, and I have enough Sepolia Ethereum over here. If you don't have enough Sepolia Ethereum, you could always go back to the Google Sepolia Ethereum site, and you could just uh, generate some Sepolia Ethereums over here. So this is the site, and you have to paste the address over here. You will get your address from here. Just copy this, and you're gonna paste this. Now I have already received some Sepolia Ethereum. This may throw me an error. Yeah, so only one account, and only one account could be used to like generate some Sepolia Ethereum. I have already done that, so I cannot generate some more Sepolia Ethereum from the same account. I have to switch the accounts. Now coming back to the main thing, now how to use our application, that is FarmBridge application. So as I told you, there is no extension of MetaMask inside the browser, but there is a browser inside your MetaMask application. So you could see that there is a browser, there is a compass kind of icon over here which says browser. I'm gonna click here, and I have already used FarmBridge application, and you could see that already my data has been shown over here. And if it's not showing you in this case, you just need to click on here, and there will be an option says that connect your account. So I'm gonna use connect more accounts. I'm gonna connect my second account over here. I'll update this. You could see this again. This is connected to my second account. See that my second account has been connected, which is a normal account, and my first account over here is an admin account, which was the same account used to deploy the smart contract. And I need to refresh or reload my site. Yeah, and all other parts like the register page and everything would work same as I showed you in my laptop or desktop demo. It would be the same thing, everything would be the same. So I have already registered as a donor, so I cannot register as a farmer, but this would work same as if it is working in the laptop or desktop. And not just, and everything, including farmers page, donors page, and you could even uh, fund or you could see that uh, it's showing me the whole data of whatever it was inside uh, my desktop account. So this would work same as if it is working in laptop. So this is how you use farm fund inside your phone application. So thank you everyone for seeing this whole video, and all the links and the resources would be available in description. And if you have any queries, you could just contact me through my email.